Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make Singapore noodles. Very easy and quick to make, better than takeout. Let's start by the ingredients. For ingredients, we will need 450 grams noodles, 1 carrot, half large onions, 2 eggs, 15 large shrimp, 200 boneless chicken, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon curry, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon, 3 garlic, spring onion and mixed pepper. We will need also some salt, black pepper and chicken seasoning. I start by remove my noodle into the water. Excuse me, I forgot to record how I soak the noodle in the water. I soak that for 1 hour. I season my chicken with 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. They have more thing on it like some herbs, salt, some black pepper, I add more black pepper to have more taste. I season my shrimp with sea salt and black pepper. Now, in a warm pan with coconut oil on it, I add chicken, I add paprika on it, and I let chicken fry until it becomes lightly fry. We can see how chicken is slightly dry. Now it's ready to take out. In a bowl, we crack our 2 eggs and then we can season that with some sea salt and a little bit black pepper and we fry it. When it's ready, we remove it. For the next step, into the same pan, we add a little bit coconut oil and our garlic. We fry garlic just for a few seconds and we add our onion. Now we can add shrimp. We add half of teaspoon of chicken seasoning for more taste, and we let the shrimp cook for 5 minutes. In a bowl, we mix cooking wine, light soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. We mix it and then we reserve it. Now into the hot yolk with oil on it, we add our mixed pepper, we add salt, we add carrot, we cook our vegetable for 1 minute. Now we can add our chicken, shrimp, and we mix it. Now we add egg, we mix it again. We add curry, chicken bouillon for more taste. Now, after all that, I add my noodles and sauce. I mix all thoroughly for about 2 minutes. And that's it, it's ready to eat. If you enjoy to watch my video, don't forget to subscribe, share and comment, why not? Thank you so much for watching me. See you for another video. Bye bye.